Hey Dewdrops, welcome back to our series with pinks and greens. So this is what we ended up mixing, and we're going to start dropping them one at a time on our tray of water. We're water marbling. That means we're floating very thin paints onto the surface of very thick water. And lately I have been doing a lot of prints on paper instead of on silk. I still love silk, it's just that paper is so easy to do and I don't have to wrestle with my 6-foot long scarf tray. So we started with a base of pink, and now we're dropping in our mint and our deeper green. It's not quite an emerald, but it's close. So when we get enough paint on the surface of our tray, we will start maneuvering the paint around with rakes and combs. Here we go, we're bringing in our 1-inch rake, and just by adjusting it down a little bit, we get a whole new pattern. We're gonna come in here and do some arches, and you know what? I really like it, so we're gonna leave it here. Let's dip down that white piece of paper and watch the paint instantly adhere. Isn't that fun? So I've got a little board here to help me keep from tearing the paper when I pull it out, because it's not really sturdy when it's wet. What do you think? I really like it. It feels summery and minty and happy. Gonna let it sit there and drip for a little bit. All right, Dewdrops, I really hope you're enjoying this series. These prints will be available soon in my Etsy shop. Remember, live colorfully. Goodbye.